The Royal Enfield Meteor 350, relaunched on 15 September 2025, is a mid-size cruiser built for riders who enjoy relaxed and comfortable journeys. The Meteor first made its debut back in 2020 and quickly became one of Royal Enfield's best-loved models. People connected with its easygoing nature, timeless styling, and its strong presence in the 350cc class. Now 5 years later, Royal Enfield has decided to refresh the Meteor, making sure it stays relevant in a market where riders are asking for more features, a touch of modernity, and greater convenience. Of course, the big question is why choose the new Meteor 350 when there are so many strong competitors in the segment? It's a fair doubt. And instead of simply taking sides, let's break things down carefully. My aim here is not to push you into buying it or to dismiss it outright. Instead, I will walk you through all the aspects of this motorcycle, highlight what's new, and give you a clearer picture of where the Meteor really stands today. That way, you can decide for yourself if it is a right choice. So let's begin with what has actually changed on the 2025 Meteor 350. Priced at Rs 2.15 lakh ex-showroom, the overall frame, engine and core design remain familiar, but Royal Enfield has added new features, upgraded technology and introduced fresh styling options. This version includes all new LED lighting across the range, which improves both styling and visibility. Riders now get the Tripper navigation pod as standard, making navigation easier, along with a USB Type-C fast charging port. The bike also comes with an sleeper assist clutch for smoother riding, while higher trims feature adjustable levers for greater comfort. A big part of the refresh is the visual update, with 7 new color schemes across 4 different variants, giving buyers more choice to match their taste. Royal Enfield has also introduced new accessory kits with touring and urban themes, allowing for more personalization, and has extended its warranty and roadside assistance coverage to provide extra peace of mind. To understand the long-term performance of the brand, it helps to look back at Royal Enfield's history. The company began in the late 19th century England, first producing bicycles before moving into motorcycles. Its reputation for durability earned it the famous tagline, "Made like a gun." In 1955, the Indian government selected the Bullet for its army and police, which led to production shifting entirely to India. While its UK roots eventually faded, the brand only grew stronger in India. Today, Royal Enfield blends classic retro styling with modern engineering, creating rugged, reliable, and easy to maintain motorcycles that are designed by global teams in both India and the UK. In our country, Royal Enfield has become almost synonymous with mid-size motorcycles. Models like the Bullet and Classic became a reputation for being not just dependable but also iconic, while newer bikes such as the Meteor, Hunter and Himalayan have brought in younger riders and opened doors to international market. The brand continues to stand as one of the leading names in the Indian motorcycle industry, selling in strong numbers at home while also exporting worldwide. The Meteor 350 plays a key role in this journey, designed to strengthen Royal Enfield's presence in the cruiser segment and offer Indian riders a true homegrown alternative to international cruiser. Moving on to one of the main points, the competitors. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 comes with a top speed around 120 km/h when compared to its closest rival, the Honda Highness CB350, priced at about Rs 1.92 lakh ex-showroom. The two are quite similar in performance, with the Honda reaching around 125 km/h. The difference, however, is in the riding experience. The Honda is lighter and feels more agile in city traffic, while the Meteor is more laid-back and comfortable on longer rides, staying true to its cruiser's character. Another strong rival is the Java 42, available in multiple variants and priced between Rs 1.60 to Rs 2 lakh ex-showroom. This bike is more spirited, capable of touching around 140 km/h. Its rev-happy nature and sharper throttle response give it a sportier edge, but this also means it sacrifices the calm and smooth feel that the Meteor offers at lower speeds. In the end, The Meteor 350 is not about being the fastest in its class, instead, it focuses on delivering a balanced and comfortable riding experience. This makes it a preferred choice for those who value relaxed long distance rides over pure speed. Now that you have an idea of where the Meteor 350 stands in its segment, let's look at customer feedback on the bike and the brand service. Many owners praise the Meteor for its character and the way it feels like a bigger, more premium motorcycle compared to others in the same class. Riders also appreciate that it offers decent fuel economy, making it a practical choice as well as an enjoyable one. Over time, the Meteor has built a loyal following among enthusiasts. That said, feedback also highlights a few recurring concerns. Some owners have reported early wear on parts like brake pads, vibration at certain speed, and occasional mechanical noises. Experiences with service centers vary widely. In larger cities, service quality tends to be better with faster access to parts and attentive staff. In smaller towns, however, customers have mentioned delays, inconsistent service, and difficulty obtaining certain spares on time. Some riders feel that minor issues can require multiple visits to resolve, while others have expressed frustration with what they see as unnecessary replacements or higher than expected costs. Over the long term, many Meteor owners say the bike settles into a smooth rhythm if it is maintained properly. While the issues are real, they are generally manageable with regular care, which reinforces why the Meteor continues to enjoy a dedicated rider base.
जलवा है हमारा।
Now let's take a closer look at the specifications of the Meteor 350. It is powered by a single-cylinder, 4-stroke, air-oil-cooled engine with a displacement of 349.34 cc and a compression ratio of 9.5:1. The engine produces a maximum power of 20.2 bhp at 6100 rpm or 14.87 kW, along with a peak torque of 27 Nm at 4000 rpm. Power is transmitted through a 5-speed constant mesh gearbox coupled with a wet multiplate clutch. The bike rides on a twin down-tube spine frame with a telescopic front suspension featuring 41mm fork and 130mm travel. At the rear, it has twin-tube emulsion shock absorbers with 6-step adjustable preload, ensuring a comfortable and controlled ride. The Meteor comes with a wheelbase of 1400mm and a ground clearance of 170mm, paired with a fuel tank capacity of 15 liters. In terms of styling, the Meteor 350 offers a wide range of color options to suit different tastes. Riders can choose from 16 different color options, giving plenty of scope to personalize the bike according to individual preferences.
So that's everything we have got on this bike. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps me bring more content like this to you. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.